Welcome to Spanish Corriente, where we cover common and practical Spanish that you'll actually use on a daily basis.
Uno, dos, dos, tres, tres, cuatro, cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis, seis, siete, siete, ocho, ocho, nueve, nueve, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, or hey, subscribe to the channel. We're constantly uploading fresh content to help you improve your Spanish. If you'd like a transcription of this video, you can head over to our webpage at SpanishCorriente.com and we'll email it to you at no charge. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.